Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Tahoe taillights. Begin by parking on level ground and disconnecting the negative battery terminal, then gather a socket set, trim tool, and gloves. Work methodically from the interior panel by removing screws and gently prying clips, keeping fasteners organized. Check bulbs and connectors as you remove the assembly and clean the mounting area before reinstalling a new tail light. Start by undoing the interior panel screws and sliding the panel away carefully to expose the tail light bolts. Use a trim tool to release any clips so the plastic does not crack, then remove the mounting bolts with a socket. Support the tail light assembly as you pull it outward, locate the wiring harness, depress the connector tab, and unplug it so the assembly can be fully removed without strain or damage. With the assembly removed, check each bulb and socket for corrosion or wear and replace bulbs as needed. Reconnect the wiring harness to the replacement assembly and test brake, turn, and reverse lights before final reassembly. Align the assembly on its mounting points, snug the bolts without over-torquing, and press clips back into place. Finish by reinstalling the interior panel and reconnecting the battery, then verify all.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.